Get up, Vicky.
I can't.
Get-
The leash is stuck on me.
Get up.
And I can't get up.
Get up. Gus! Gus!
Yeah. Honey, I'm telling you, they're all tangled. We need some assistance. Big time. Hurry up.
Bobo?
Oh my God. This is starting off to be a rough remedy. Am I free now?
Gus! Salka! No, don't get up.
Okay.
Don't move. Okay. You can get up now.
Oh, thanks.
Bobo!
Bobby, I can't get it.
I'm glad we didn't go to Misty Moon with all those people there watching you.
Oh, God. Horrible. I'm telling you, I need help. Mommy, help me.
Roll on your knees and get up.
Holy shit.